Good morning, everyone. We are here at The Zone. This is in Rolla, Missouri. Rolla is a college town with around 20,000 people. There are two arcades owned by the same company. Like I said earlier, this one is called The Zone. It has laser tag, skating, like roller skating and inline skating, a little bounce area, a little tiki bar. And so we're going to go in and check it out. I did have to do a voiceover because the music is incredibly loud and I'm trying my best to record, but there's a lot of employees watching me. So they actually have a lot of nice arcade games. It's where you put your money on a card. There's a candy claw machine, Halo, a tower of tickets I see. So we're just walking around first before we get an arcade card. They've got skee ball, lane master, very nice, and they have a big claw machine. The skating rink looked really cool. It's just right next to everything, and so it is incredibly loud in here. The pearl fishery, I like it. There's only one place in St. Louis that has it, Kokomo Joe's. Which, funny, the other arcade here in Rolla is called Kokomo Joe's, but it's not the same company. It's just a common name, I guess. DC Comics coin pusher, SpongeBob coin pusher. You all know this is my absolute favorite coin pusher. No Gary's, but nice. And then two Wizard of Oz's, and there's actually a rare Toto. So there's a Toto on both of them. And what was this? Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. That is a good one. Do I show? I guess I don't show the cost. This place was a little higher than the average arcade. I believe it was $2 to play the coin pushers. That was laser tag right there. Excuse me. Allergies and Down the Clown. I'm sorry about that. Connect the Four basketball. My sister likes this. But we keep looking at the cost of each game, and they are doing it actual dollar value. Some arcades do it by points. This one is actual dollar value, which I like. You know how much you're actually spending, but then you realize you're spending a lot. So all the games were pretty much over $1. They were like $1.50, $1.75, $2. Here is a claw machine. Another claw machine. This is why I don't like voiceovers, because I was saying what it was and now I can't read it. But I do remember thinking, wow, these costs are higher than what we normally pay. Cute little toys. I don't know what those are, but what they're called, what line that's called, but they were adorable. And then some Super Mario Brother plush. There's a couple in there I really liked. And then more of the what are these called? Beanie Boos or something like that. And Holly is trying to show me. She looked online and she remembers they have one of those thread cutting ones. There is no one on the skating rink at the moment. We came like at 5 on a Friday night. It was 6 on a Friday night. So I was a little surprised it wasn't busy. And another ticket claw machine, reading the prices and saying, wow, that's ridiculous. I think this one was actually like $3 to play. String must be cut to win the prize. They do have really nice prizes. I've never technically played a cut string game. I've watched people play it on YouTube. I don't think I would be good at it. And then they had the Snurf shooting game. 500 tickets for the bonus. Thought that sounded really good. I think this one was like $1.75 to play. The Sink It 1,000 ticket bonus, which is good if you're good at that game. I'm not. But I do like playing it. And then this was, I can't remember. I think that was one of you have to push the pole into the circle. And then here, this one, Holly knows people have won it because she watches their Facebook page. And last week it was a different prize. So she was disappointed because last week's prize was a lot cuter. She didn't really care for that. And then, a good classic dinosaur one. This is another one that Kokomo Joe's has in St. Louis, but I swear it's a different company. I could be wrong. their cards were not like Kokomo Joe's has brand specific arcade cards. This one was generic. And now we're gonna go look at the prize room. I just because I like to look at the prize room before I actually put any money on a card when I go to a new arcade, because I'm not going to spend too much money if there's no prizes that I really want. But they had nice sitting area, nice area. So the prizes, I really wasn't impressed. It was pretty generic prizes. Some were a little overpriced. This wall is reasonable. Always have cheap, reasonable stuff for the kids who only win like 50 tickets. They had a couple. That's Shopkins. That's name brand. That was small and just like, whoopee cushion, candy, just stuff that's like, oh, seen it a dozen times. I like unique. It's probably why round one is one of my favorite prize rooms, because they do have pretty unique prizes. That was a squishy banana and little baton, 400 tickets. I want one. I really do want one of those. I used to play with those as a kid. It's the second arcade I've seen them lately, so they must be making a comeback. Showing Holly all the tubes of candy, above 2,000 tickets. Some of those tubes I haven't seen before in that size, so that was unique. But overall, not really impressed. This is like a little aquarium that you add water and the stuff grows inside. That's at the next arcade too, but it makes sense because they're owned by the same company. And yeah, I mean, if you're in the area, you might as well check it out. It's got great coin pushers. It's just not the best prize room I have ever seen. So yes, this is in Rolla, Missouri.